Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button, guys. I want you to like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on Telegram, guys. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section, so make sure you follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at GBPJPY. At first, we can see, let's zoom it out properly so we can see the full trend. We can see that GBPJPY is literally on an uptrend move, right? Higher highs, higher lows. That is on the foot trend. Now let's look at this our current trend. At first, we were having this movement which was trading above our trend line. You can see it. There was a first touch here, which gave us a rejection. Another second touch here, which gave us a rejection. Then markets eventually broke above it, kind of giving us like a reversal movement. Then when markets dropped, we kind of had like a double bottom. We all know the when once you see double bottom, it means there is a reversal movement, right? So we kind of had like a rejection here. When markets pushed up, we had another rejection at this level, and guess what? Markets broke out of it, meaning there is now a reversal movement to the downside. So now we are now on an uptrend move here. You can see the first higher highs and higher lows here that has been made on GBPJPY. This is a new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. What can you see here? A new higher highs which took out this previous highs. So what next do you expect on GBPJPY? The movement is very, very simple. Expect an higher loss. So now we've gotten this new higher highs. What next is an higher loss. So once that higher loss comes back, which will be a pullback, then you can now look for a new higher highs. But for right now, it is an higher loss we will be watching out for. So wait for the pullback. Once the pullback is over, then we should now continue the movement to the upside on GBP JPY. Guys, don't forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find a link in the comment section.